First method, click to start, type run, then hit enter, type clean manager, and then hit enter, mgr. Okay, click to this, click program file, temporary internet, and then click to clear files. Now you can see this cleaning. Then click to OK and delete. Then guys, second method, disable Windows Defender antivirus and live protections. So go to click to start and go to setting, then click to privacy and setting. You can see the Windows security. Okay, so open Windows security. So click to virus and threat protections, scroll down, wireless threat protection setting, click to manage and then go to off and then click to yes. So when you restart your system, by default automatically it's enable. Okay, close it. Then next method. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last